In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the Wix form submission email address. Let's get started by opening up your preferred browser. Google Chrome is often the go-to choice, but any browser will work just fine for this task. Once you've fired up your browser, head over to the Wix website by typing in wix.com in the address bar and hitting enter. Once the Wix homepage loads, you'll need to log into your account. Look for the login button. It's usually prominently displayed, so click on that and enter your credentials to access your Wix dashboard. After you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the specific site where you want to make changes. Locate the edit site button for the relevant website and give it a click. This will take you into the Wix editor where you do all your magic. Now that you're in the editor, it's time to find the form you're looking to edit. Scroll through the page or use the layers panel to locate your form. Once you found it, click on the form. This will bring up the form settings. In these settings, you'll see an option labeled Edit Form. Go ahead and click that to start editing the details of the form. The next step is to manage the email settings for the form submissions. Look for the email option. It should be right there in the Edit Form settings. Click on Email, and it will show you the current recipient email address where form submissions are being sent. It's always good to verify that you're in the right spot before making any changes, just to be sure you're about to edit the appropriate settings. Now, on to the main task at hand, changing the email. You'll see the current email there in a field labeled recipient email or something similar. Simply click into the field, erase the existing email, and type in the new email address that you want to use for receiving form submissions. Double check the email for any typos to avoid any future hiccups. Once you've entered the new email address, all that's left is to save your changes. Find the Save button, typically located towards the bottom of the screen or in a menu at the top, depending on your layout preferences. Click on Save to apply the changes, ensuring all form submissions will now be directed to the new email address. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've learned how to successfully update where your Wix forms send submissions. It's a straightforward process.